Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to optimize Ghost of Tsushima on PC. First, ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This is crucial for game compatibility and performance. Next, activate Windows Game Mode and hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling to prioritize your game's resource access. Also, switch your system's power profile to high performance. Finally, installing the game on a solid-state drive, or SSD, significantly reduces loading times and improves overall fluidity, which is a huge plus for open-world titles. Now, let's dive into the in-game graphics settings. For texture quality, setting it to medium or high usually provides excellent visuals without a significant performance hit, as higher settings offer only minor improvements. Shadow quality and level of detail are also impactful. Try medium or high for a balanced experience. Reducing volumetric fog and screen space reflections to medium or low can yield substantial frame rate increases, especially in dense areas, helping you maintain smooth gameplay. One of the most powerful tools for boosting performance is upscaling technology. Ghost of Tsushima supports NVIDIA DLSS, AMD's FSR, and Intel's ZSS. These allow your game to render at a lower resolution and then intelligently upscale to your monitor's native resolution, providing a sharp image with much higher frame rates. Selecting a balanced or quality preset is often ideal. If your graphics card supports it, enabling frame generation can further increase your frame rate by 20 to 40%, making a huge difference. For advanced optimization, always select exclusive full screen in display settings. It often provides superior performance over borderless windowed modes. If your hardware supports it, enable resizable BAR in your motherboard's BIOS for additional frame rate gains. Crucially, keep an eye on your VRAM usage. Ghost of Tsushima can be VRAM-intensive, especially at higher resolutions. If your graphics card has 8 GB of RAM or less, avoid maxing out texture and detail settings to prevent performance drops and ensure a consistently smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.